Look what I grew in my backyard. I turned my backyard into a thriving food forest right here in the city. I'm harvesting my last set of grapes. Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Myself, my family, and friends have been truly enjoying these grapes. I'm telling you, it's such a different feeling eating what you grow and growing what you eat. Lovely. Getting this dragon fruit. And also this one right here. Alright, so these are two different varieties that you're looking at right here. This one and this one is the same. And I got another one of the same variety the other day. Take a look at that clip. So we're about to try another variety of dragon fruit. It is clearly different from the first two that we harvested the other day. I am so excited to see what is inside, and I'm so excited to taste it as well. As you know, I am tasting for me and you. Alright, so I'm not even going to wait because it is late in the evening, so I need to get cracking. Alright, so yeah, let's get straight to it. So yeah, not even gonna itch. So all right, so let's cut it open together. Of course, in the meantime, drop it in the comments what you think, what color it's going to be inside. Are you ready? Let's see. This is pink. It is pink inside. Let me taste. Let me taste. Mm. You know, I can really agree to the fact that when you grow the dragon fruit yourself, they tend to be sweet. So I can definitely attest to the fact that yeah, grow them yourself and you will love dragon fruit. All right, so let me just take out these flowers. I am also getting this passion fruit. Oops. Ah, such a cutie. Let's get this cucumber right here. Lovely. Let's get this sweet pepper or bell pepper. Oops. Also these tiny babies. Banana pepper. This is how they look because the plant is actually retiring. All right, so let's rest this right here and let's get some pepper. These are some West Indian red pepper. These are so tasty in the pot. I'm getting even the little baby ones that ripen so that the plant can focus on giving me more. Also getting these scotches in the mixed. A few others right here. So I'm basically getting all of these scallions or green onions, the ones that are tipping over like that. Man, this smells so good. These scallions or green onions or spring onions, whichever you call them, I'm telling you, the aroma is so good. Are you loving my plate? Man, this is, I could look at this plate all day. All right, so I'm getting these onions. I have several little onions around the garden. You know, these are not the biggest, but I am still grateful. I mean, the joy of doing this. The size, I'm telling you, it really doesn't matter. The fact that I can get my fresh onions from my garden. Of course, I've seen bigger ones, you know, but I'm quite fine with these, like I was saying. Yeah, I have a few more, but I'll be just getting this for now. So I need to get these washed up and plate ready. So let me wash them up and be back. All right, so here they are washed up. Let me snip off the tops like so. And aren't they just a beautiful addition to this plate? This plate, I say one. It is looking awesome, and I'm pretty sure you'd agree. The feeling, I'm telling you, it is second to none. Food security. So this is what we're getting today. Comment below and tell me what you'd like from my plate. All right? I know you're due for a garden tour. Please turn on your notification bells and stay tuned for that. All right? So this is where I leave you for today. Until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.